In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood hinge on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located inside of the hood. Let's get started. Using a hood support, we are going to extend it up and support the hood. Using a 13mm wrench, remove the bottom bolt for the hood hinge. Remove the bolt from the bottom of the hinge. Using a 13mm wrench, I'm going to get on the head of the bolt. I'm going to use a 13mm socket and remove the nut. Remove the hinge off the bolt. Install the hood hinge. Get the nut started on the back side. Line up the bracket on the bottom bolt. Get the bolt started by hand and snug it down. Torque the bolt to 18 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Snug up the top nut. Torque it to 18 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.